so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kenny, and Adam has already made a good introduction. So what I'm going to share with you, what I'm here to share with you today, which is the mortgage outlook. Okay, I'm going to talk about the mortgage industry outlook and the future growth driver. So why is this important? Because if you, actually, I believe most of you come here to actually invest in this platform, right? Before you invest, due diligence must be made. And if you look at the way that the revenue model of MHub at this moment, this is the next big thing. The transaction fees from the bank, okay? So if you want to know how big, then you need to know how much loans that Malaysians are applying. We are applying, the banks are processing, okay? So next one. Sorry. You can't go back. Okay, hold on. You can't go back. John. Okay. I'm sure you all have seen this news, right? So all of us, including myself, have applied for a loan and actually get rejected before. And there's even news that there's housewife is crying to the Ministry of Housing. Remember, 15 loan rejections, and she was crying. And also the loan approval rates, they are always talking about the banks are not approving, that's why the property market is not moving. Okay? So we shall look at the numbers next. Next, I'm going to show you the numbers that is actually available in public, the Bank Negara statistics. It's available in Bank Negara website. Okay? So, this is the 1 year, right up to April. Okay, these figures here is in billions, billions. And then loans applied versus loan approved, the source, and it's only for residential properties. Meaning, if let's say you are buying shop lots, which is a commercial property, it's not counted towards these statistics, okay? So let's look at the figures. Loans approved versus loan applied. You notice, right, at this part here is a bit, how would I say it? Bad, okay? It's dropping compared to quarter, the first here. This is May. If you see this month is May, June, 2018 May, and right up to 2019 April. So you see this first 4 months here is very bad. First 3 months, I would say. Fourth month is going to go. So anybody want to take a guess what happened these few months? Anybody can give? Why suddenly the figure so bad? Anybody want to take a guess? Possible. You are right. Chinese New Year is where the business is quite bad also here. So you see the loan approved. Of course, if applications is low, then loan approval also will be low. But you see in the 3rd of March to April, it actually increased by number of applications, right? Here to here, it increased a lot. 14 billion to 21 billion. What happened during that time? After Chinese New Year, they're going shopping, right? Correct. One more thing that has happened, the home ownership campaign. Okay? The home ownership campaign, they push out a lot, they give discounts. This is how this is why the figure actually going up. So you can see here the loans the loans also approved also go up. And this is the graph that you can see. Okay, so why is this important? Why is this important? If you know how much loans is approved, right? Imagine today, the platform, you have a platform economy, platform app like an MHub. Imagine if they are being paid for every loans approved. Imagine that. I want you to remember this figure. John, can you go back to the previous slide, please? Remember this figure, loans approved. This figure. Okay. Imagine now being paid for a certain small percentage for every loans approved. Okay, I'll show you. I'm just going to take a very conservative number. Oh, okay, it's dead. Go to the last one. Okay. So this is the magic number. Just now, Mr. David have shared very conservative figure. 68 billion, and then you take 10%, 6.8 million a year. But you've seen the statistics, right? Anything, just now the figure, anything less than 1 billion, just now. I'm taking only 1 billion, because you must understand, sometimes people, they just don't want to buy, cancel purchase, okay? Or the loan margin that you cannot get, so they don't want to buy. There's many reasons, but just take 1 billion. Imagine the 1 billion approved a month, and banks pay 0.1. Again, a very conservative figure. Banks usually will pay higher than this, 0.1 only, of 1 billion a month. What you're actually earning in fee income. That is 1 million a month, ladies and gentlemen. 1 million in cash a month, okay? So this is the earnings potential of the platform, okay? So I want you to actually, when the MHub presenters come, this is actually their part of their growth driver moving forward after this funding. Pay attention to the figures, okay? So I would like to, let's conclude what I would like to share today. So I hope I've given you a little bit of picture about what MHub exists now as a platform, earnings potential, and what it can be in the future, okay? Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is